angels, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you L'Oreal Paris Rouge Matte Lipsticks collection review. Oh my god, yes, L'Oreal Paris has just sent me their Rouge Matte Lipstick collection to review for you guys, and these are amazingly gorgeous in this beautiful clutch. These are the 12 shades from their collection, and the best part is they have added new shades to their collection which are based on sunset theme. So I will be reviewing each and every lipstick from their collection in this video, and we will talk about the texture, how it applies. I also want to have this beautiful clutch. All you have to do is buy any 2 Rouge matte lipsticks from any L'Oreal store and you will get beautiful matching clutch with that. Okay, so you can also get it. Talk about it packaging. Okay, so when we talk about its packaging, it's absolutely sleek, amazing. The lipstick comes in a frosted bottle, as you can see, and when you open it, the cup applicator comes in a door foot applicator which helps in precise application. अगर आपको थोड़ी सी प्रॉब्लम होती है अपने लिप्स को कॉन्टोर करने के लिए, तो आपका ये एप्लीकेटर बहुत काम करेगा आपके लिप्स को कॉन्टोर करने के लिए, and you will be having amazing lip application with that. Okay, and also you will get the brand name on the cap itself. And let's talk about its texture. टेक्सचर की बात करें तो टेक्सचर you will see here in one swipe. The color payoff is amazing. What I have on my lips is on my hand, so you can tell the color payoff is amazing. It is a very weightless formula, you guys. When you apply it, आपको लगेगा नहीं कि आपने lips पर कुछ लगाया है. It will barely give a lipstick feeling. You can say barely lip feeling there. It's barely over there. The texture is very balm or you can gloss type, because when you apply it, आपको लगेगा नहीं कि आप कोई lipstick apply कर रहे हो. It goes on very very smoothly, slide करता है lips पर और amazingly apply भी हो जाता है. आपको ज़्यादा hassle करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Easily you can also work with your finger, like you can apply on your finger like that, or you can have in your fingertips, and you can have like a blush itself also. The shade range goes from red, pink, nude and plum. Okay, and when you apply on your lips, it will give a warm tone effect that is really suited for Indian skin tone. As we about the new sunset theme shade lipsticks, and these are actually made for Indian skin tone. ये lipsticks बिल्कुल transfer proof है. आपको लगाने के बाद at least wait करना पड़ेगा 1 to 2 minutes का, और उसके बाद ये बिल्कुल set हो जाता है आपके lips पर. बिल्कुल transfer नहीं होता, थोड़ा बहुत transfer होता है when you eat, but अगर आप इसे transfer किस प्रूफ टेस्ट लोगे तो थोड़ा सा कम ऑफ आता है. बिल्कुल ट्रांसफर प्रूफ है ये लिपस्टिक और अमेजिंग एप्लीकेशन देता है. एंड on my experience, I had my full course meal. After I had dessert, it was there. It was actually there. It was not getting transfer like much, but it did transfer. यहाँ से थोड़ा सा हट गया था, but overall it stained my lips. ऐसा लग नहीं रहा था कि लिपस्टिक है ही नहीं बिल्कुल, या बिल्कुल कम ऑफ नहीं हुआ था. So these were the review of the lipsticks that I'm having today. And first of all, I will be swatching the sunset theme shades they have added. Then we will move to the previous shades because I love both of them. Let's move to the swatches. The shade I'm having right now, the name is I Decide, and it applies on very smoothly, as I said. And the shade is in pink tone, which is absolutely suited for Indian skin tone like me, and warm tones especially. आप इसे अप्लाई कर सकते हो, और जिनकी भी मीडियम स्किन टोन है वो भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. It will suit to fair to medium, and if you are having a dusky skin tone, you are going to apply with a dark lip liner. It will look gorgeous on you.
I couldn't stay, take me or leave me. You can still walk away.
The next shade I am having, it is I Amaze, and it is beautiful red orange mix, and you can apply on any skin tone. It is really warm, and especially a sunset color which looks amazingly beautiful. It has the ability to be applied on every skin tone, you guys. It looks absolutely stunning as well.
I told you this love won't be easy.
Next shade I am having, it is I Lead.
Is this real? Will you still be here?
It is is a complete nude. It has pink, it has brown undertones, which looks amazing on your lips, and you can wear on casual days, offices, and also when you do smoky eyes, it will really look good on that makeup. So yeah guys, and it has also the ability to apply it on every single skin tone. It will never wash off any skin tone. It's really good and amazing, and for Indian skin tone this is a must have. So this is the shade I lead.
What if I showed you I could change? I really hope you don't walk away.
The next shade is really funky color I am having. It is I Vibrate.
Will you still be here? Is this real? Will you still be here?
Come little sheer on lips, but it has really nice undertone.
Here. If I say how I feel, I don't wanna wake up one day and see you gone. Will you still be here? Will you still be here?
The next shade I am having I Captivate, and this is such an amazing lip color which is absolutely statement. Actually this color is amazing. It has purple hues, goes really nicely on lips, and this is the first time I am wearing purple kind of lipstick. आपको कैसा लग रहा है मुझे comment में करके ज़रूर बताना, because this is the really first time. And the next shade I am having, this is I Rule, and this is the color on my hand, and this is the color on my lips. It will suit to fair to light fair colors, not medium and not dusky skin tone. It is called I Represent. This is how it looks on my lips, and this is how it looks on my hand. Kind of pink really looks beautiful and on every single skin tone guys, so I would highly recommend this color to all of you. And the shade is called I Am Worth It. हर किसी स्किन टोन को सूट करेगा, so ये भी recommended shade है, ये भी ले लेना. It's amazing. See, and this shade is called I Explore, and on hand it looks like this, and this is amazing color you guys. It is kind of Kylie Jenner lip like. Oh my god, अगर आप Kylie Jenner का lip color actually देख रहे हो ना, तो this is that one. This is actually that brown nude for your lips. Is I Enjoy. This is kind of really mysterious color having a plum shade on my hand, and this is on my lips. Really gorgeous, and it will suit every skin tone again. And this is also an amazing color for fair to medium skin tone, and this is I Choose. This is what it looks like on my hand, and this is what on my lips. Absolutely stunning pink color which goes on every single eyeshadow look. Shade is called I Play. This is beautiful brown. This is what it looks like on my hand, and this is what it looks like on my lips. Absolutely stunning, right? This will suit every single skin tone. Amazing brown color. These were all the swatches of Rouge matte lipsticks from L'Oreal Paris. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. है L'Oreal Paris Rouge matte lipsticks, तो उसका लिंक है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, you can definitely check out. And if you have any doubt or query related to Rouge matte lipsticks, do comment down below. अगर आपको ये रिव्यू पसंद आए तो लाइक करिएगा, कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि आपका कौन सा सबसे फेवरेट शेड रहा एंड आप कौन सा परचेज करना चाहेंगे. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye. Love ya.